Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing what matters: a logged-in Google account and Play Store access, because that's how surveys link to you. Once installed, open the app and sign in. The app verifies your account and region so you get relevant surveys. Make sure location and notifications are enabled. Surveys often target local businesses and timing. If the app asks for permissions, grant only necessary ones. This preserves privacy while ensuring survey delivery and accurate reward credits to your account. Now optimize settings so you actually receive and complete surveys. Fill out the in-app profile honestly. The app uses demographics to match surveys, and accurate answers increase frequency over time. Once done, make sure location accuracy is set to high. Many surveys trigger when you visit stores, so the system can validate trips. Also, keep notifications on and check the app frequently. Surveys can expire fast, and quick responses boost acceptance and reward rate. To finish, claim and monitor rewards regularly so nothing expires or goes unnoticed. You can spend balance in Google Play or follow the app's redemption steps, and checking survey history explains any unexpected credits. If something goes wrong, missing payments or surveys, you should clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, and ensure Play services are updated. If the issue persists, contact Google support and include screenshots and timestamps. That evidence speeds resolution and restores expected rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.